Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marcelino Firman Arzi. I'm from class 6F and I wanna presentation about my proposal. The title confirmation is the influence of webtoon towards student reading comprehension on narrative text. Okay, next part is the background of the problem. Based on the curriculum of 2013, teaching reading is the part of the English subject that aims to help student to understand the reading material. And especially in this modern era, we can easily access to internet, so we can find the another way to learn more about reading comprehension or improve our reading ability. So usually we usually read the book, right? So it's kind of boring, to be honest. So the student right now, they have alternative way. They usually right now use the online reading, online comics in their smartphone every day. Sorry, and the name of this application is Webtoon. Webtoon is the application made by the Never from Korea, and people can easily download it in Play Store for Android, iOS from iPhone, and you can also direct search in the Google to their website, and student can prefer what language they wanna use, because too many language in our version of Webtoon, like example like English, Indonesians, Chinese, Koreans, and many others language. But if student want to improve their reading ability or comprehension, they must choose the English version or English language. This is according to my experience with my brother. My brother always bring a smartphone to her school or even in home, and he also have a webtoon application in that phone. So I think it's very easy to for he to study and also uh, reading for fun, reading webtoon for fun, I think. But unfortunately, my brother sometimes he still use the Indonesian version or Indonesian language. So so uh, so I think he use the English version. So uh, so so because it can increase their reading ability, and also teaching student with webtoon is more effective, I think, to be honest, for because they can more interesting or engage to the material, because in webtoon they can see, they not only reading the paragraph, but they can also see the illustration and interesting story. I think that's that's all the advantage of webtoon. Next part is the research question. The research question of this proposal is there any influence of webtoon towards student reading comprehension on narrative text? Next part is the research method. I choose research method is the quantitative method, and also I use the quasi experimental research method for this proposal, because I think it's very suitable for collecting the data. Next part is literature review. In this proposal, especially in literature review part, I I I choose to the reading reading comprehensions, types of reading, webtoon, and teaching reading with comic, and also teaching reading comprehension with webtoon applications. That's all my literature review. Okay, next is how to collecting the data. How to collecting data, I choose the test and post test because it can show me the influence of webtoon towards student reading comprehension on narrative text after or before I teaching them. So I can see the grade. If that their grade is up, it can be the positive, or if there any influence or their grade is down, I think it's not suitable for them. That's why I choose this method. I think that's all my presentation about my proposal. I closing it by wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.